Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be trying out a bit of carp fishing in the creek behind me here. This is Mulgoa Creek. I checked it out the other day, looked pretty promising. So let's see how we go. Just walking back to my bag when I was getting the rod holder. I seen a huge carp down the end. I thought it was a log at first. So there's some big carp hanging around this creek. Another guy over there just at the surface. He's quite a big fish himself. Good chance of getting quite a large carp out of this creek, I think. There's that big lump of carp on the other side there, at the surface again. I don't think it'll take long. As soon as something finds these worms, we're going to be on. Here we go. And let's set the hook in. There we go. Oh, big carp to start the day. Nice. This guy's going to take a serious run, I think. Oh, I don't think there's much stopping him at the moment. Wow. Not on this gear. He's probably going to end up spooling me. Jesus, this is a good carp, guys. This is the sort of one I wanted to hook. There's not going to be much stopping him on this gear. I can tell you that now. I have no control of this fish. I have no net. He's trying to shove himself into anything he can. Get out of it. Get out of the weeds. Come on, mate. Oh no, he's got me in the weeds bad. He's gonna have to swim back through there or we're stuck. Here we go, he's coming back through. Good boy. Come on, mate. That's it. He's right there. If I had a net, I could already get him. Seems to be stuck on a tree branch right there, and he's gonna snap me off. That's what I'm most worried about. Okay. He's still on. But it's like he doesn't even know it. He's right here, just under this weed. There we go. We got him off. Okay, can we get him out? He's a lump of a fish. Big goldfish to start the day. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can see he's nowhere near done. Nah, not back in the weeds again, mate. Trying to get me back in the weeds again. No, come back this way. Struggling to land this guy on me bass gear, that's for sure. Kind of wishing I brought the net now. He's really trying to break this hook off or will get me stuck anyway. Come on, mate. I need him over here somewhere where I can land him. I have a fair bit of trouble. I don't think he's used any of his energy. He's not tired at all. This is the problem. On this bass gear, doing nothing to slow him down. I knew I hadn't slowed him down yet. I was really hoping. Turn his big head over this way. Come on, mate. All right. Gee. Oh, that was a bit more hefty of a fight than I thought. All right. Oh, God. I'll just get the hook out of his mouth. If I can get away from this spiky plant. Okay. Whew. All right. Check that one out, guys. Quite a good fish. Let's check how long he is. Now, me brag mat arrived. It's a good old power fish brag mat here, so we got meters instead of centimeters, but anyway, you'll get the gist of it. Oh. Let's see. Let's get him on there. There you go. So, about a 6.5 metre dog there. Nice. Whew. Not a bad fight on that bass ski there, that's for sure. Missed the strike, but on again. Not as big as that other one. Still getting a few carp in this spot. Not a bad spot at all. First time trying here. I checked this out the other... Wow. Settle down. They have a habit of just chucking a run out of nowhere all of a sudden sometimes. Put up a pretty good fight on the basky. Oh, looking like we're getting another one out of the system. See how we go. Can we get this guy as well? Going a little more crazy than the last guy. There we go. Oh, almost dropped him. All right, not quite as big as the last guy. Oh, but another mud marlin there. Oh, better wipe me lens. I just managed to see there was a bit of water on it. There we go. Another mud marlin. Okay guys, started raining. No end screen today, unfortunately. Probably just be a short video with them 2 carp anyway, but that's it. I'm getting out of the rain now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I actually came back here trying for some bass on a soft plastic and got snagged within just a few minutes. Here we go. Yep. Oh, straight on. Gonna have to get that other line out of the water. Oh, this is a good one. Not a bad fish at all. It's come straight into the weeds. Now he's gone straight back out of the weeds. I really want to get my other line out. I'm not going to be able to handle it if I got 2. Wow. Hopefully I don't lose this fish while I get my other bait out. Okay, we're back. Jeez. What another fight. He's just wrapped around something. Hopefully he can find his way back out of there. He's in a bad snag now. No, he's coming back out, I think. Yep, he's out. Nice. Try and go back over to, oh, if we can. Geez, this guy is really putting up a fight. This is on my bigger rod. This guy's really having a go. Very gold, this guy. Oh no, he just looked a bit more gold out there in the water. There is one in here that's very orange and black. Keep seeing it. Okay. Nice. This is my third carp. Wow. Alright, let's try and get him out. Still putting up a bit of a fight there. Once again, I have no net with me. I've broken my net, so ordering a new one. Sorry for the bad angle there. Just go ahead and, whoop. Okay, he's not giving up yet. That's for sure. What do you make? Ooh. That hook's barely in the side of his lip. Come back. Okay, I've got him, I think. Bit of a struggle here, but I do have him. Okay. Oh God, we don't really want to take you that way. Okay, anyway, we'll take him that way. Oh, jeez. This guy had some energy. All right. So, another, oh, that's got to be up there again in the 60s somewhere.